Welcome back to Lamp. I'm Nithin, and today I want to help you speak English correctly, confidently, and naturally. So many learners struggle with how to form proper English sentences, not just while speaking to others but even in their own thoughts. And this is mainly because they don't clearly understand how to use correct sentence structure. So grab a pen and paper, and please, watch this video again and again until everything becomes natural to you. Let's begin with something very important. Most correct English sentences follow a pattern: subject, verb, object. This is called the SVO structure. If you remember this, your English will always have a strong foundation. Let me show you the basic way first. I eat rice. She reads a book. We play football. They watch movies. He drinks coffee. Now, let's make these examples more interesting so you'll never forget them. I eat biryani only when India wins a cricket match. It feels like a reward. She reads horror novels at midnight and then refuses to sleep with the lights off. We play football every Sunday, but only if someone brings cold drinks afterward. They watch mystery movies and argue about who the killer is. He drinks 4 cups of coffee just to survive Monday mornings. See how these examples are more fun and memorable. The sentence structure is still the same: subject, verb, object, but the sentence sounds alive. Let's move to the past tense using the same pattern. I ate biryani last night and felt like a king. She read a horror story and slept with a flashlight beside her. We played football in the rain and got totally soaked. They watched a movie but left before the ending because it was boring. He drank black coffee all night to finish his office report. Again, same SVO structure, but the verbs changed to past form. Now let's try the future tense. I will eat biryani if my salary gets credited today. She will read a thriller while traveling to Delhi tomorrow. We will play football next Sunday if it doesn't rain. They will watch a movie after their exams are over. He will drink less coffee next week, or at least he says so. Now let's talk about modal verbs, words like would, could, and should. These are very useful and powerful in real conversations. Let's start with would. I would call her, but I don't have her number. He would travel more if he had the money. They would join us, but they're busy with family. I wouldn't say that if I were you. Would you help me if I asked nicely? Now, could. I could finish the report if I had 1 more hour. She could dance really well in college. We could go out tonight if it doesn't rain. Could you explain that again? I couldn't hear you. And now, should. You should speak English every day, even to yourself. He should sleep more, those under-eye bags are growing. We should plan our trip early to get good tickets. Should I call him now or wait? You shouldn't skip meals just because you're busy. Let's practice sentences from daily life using SVO and modals. I should clean my room, but I keep scrolling Instagram. She could join the meeting, but her mic isn't working. They would travel to Manali every year before the baby was born. You should drink more water and less coffee. I could try waking up early, but my bed loves me too much. You're learning naturally now. Let's do some fast-spoken exercises. Repeat after me. I watch English videos every night. I watched a movie yesterday. I will watch a video tomorrow. I would watch the match if I wasn't so sleepy. I could watch something light, maybe a comedy. I should watch something educational for a change. Let's do another. I help my mom in the kitchen. I helped her yesterday with dinner. I will help her on Sunday. I would help more if I got home earlier. I could help now, but I need to finish my homework. I should help even when I'm tired. You see, the sentence builds with the same skeleton, subject, verb, object. And you add flavor with tense and modals. Let's try some emotional ones now. I miss my childhood school. She cried after watching that emotional ad. They laughed so hard they couldn't breathe. He forgot her birthday and is now in trouble. I smiled at a stranger today and they smiled back. Now let's bring real-life situations. I texted my manager by mistake, at midnight. He left his phone in the cab and chased it down 3 streets. She ordered a dress online and it came 2 sizes smaller. They booked movie tickets but went to the wrong theater. I cooked dinner for my friends, and they actually liked it. Use sentences like these: real, funny, emotional, and English becomes part of your life. Let's talk about questions. Do you speak English? Did she call you last night? Will they come to the party? Would you like some tea? Could you pass the charger? Should I message him first? You can answer simply, yes, I do. No, I didn't. Yes, they will. Yes, I would. Sure, I could. Maybe, I should. Now some real conversations. What did you eat for lunch? I had paneer butter masala and 2 rotis. Where do you work? I work at a digital marketing agency in Bengaluru. What will you do this weekend? I'll probably binge watch something and regret it later. Could you help me with this form? Of course. Let me see. Should I wear formals to the interview? Yes, you should. First impression always matters. Now it's your turn to try. Think of 3 things you did today. Say them out loud. Now think of 3 things you want to do tomorrow. Say them too. Then take one of them and add could, would, or should to it. Practice again. I work at home. I worked yesterday too. I will work tomorrow. I would work late if needed. I could finish it today. I should take a break. You're building fluency, step by step. Before we wrap up, here's your mini challenge. Speak 5 sentences in present. 5 in past. 5 in future. Then take those and speak again using would, could, and should. Mix your topics. Talk about food, work, your friends, school, dreams, failures, habits. Make your English feel real, not robotic. That's it for today's video. You've just taken a big step toward speaking correct and powerful English. Keep repeating what you learned today. And most importantly, use it in real life. Speak it. Think it. Write it. Correct English isn't just about rules, it's about rhythm, feel, and confidence. Thanks for being here with me on Lamp. I'm Nithin, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep shining, keep growing. And always remember, your English voice matters. Your progress matters. And your mistakes are part of your learning. Don't stop just because you feel slow, keep speaking, keep improving. Even if you make errors, you're still ahead of the version of you who stayed silent. Believe in yourself. Repeat this video tomorrow. Practice these sentences while walking, cooking, or thinking. And slowly, English will become your second nature. I'm proud of your effort. I'll see you again very soon on Lamp.